Hi there, today I'm featuring our Can-Am. Let's get started. Thanks for staying with me. Today I'm featuring our 2020 Can-Am Spyder F-3 LTD. Let's take a walk around this vehicle. If you like this color, please leave me a comment below. Look at the storage on this vehicle, enough for a day trip or a weekend getaway. Let's grow together by like, share, and subscribing to this channel. The driver's seat and the passenger seat on this vehicle look so comfortable. I'd like to take this time to thank Engelhart Motorsport of Madison for allowing me to feature this particular motorcycle. Yes, it is a motorcycle. Price point on this particular Can-Am is just under $26,000 USD. Did I mention that this comes with a Rotank 1330cc engine? Puts out 115 horsepower with a semi-automatic transmission. Dream to have would like to say, treat a person as you want to be treated, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and be well.